All right. So the next steps that we are going to do in becoming an author is now your content is ready in that format that I have given you. Now you have to download Kindle Create on your laptop or mobile, whatever it is. So what is the name? Kindle,
Already I have.
KINDLECREAT. So have I covered in my previous video this Kindle?
That up to that it is clear audio video, but after the next instructions the
Oh, okay, okay. No.
yeah,
So you have downloaded Kindle Create. Now let me
yeah,
show you what to do here. I'll share screen.
actually my Kindle Create is not showing what yours is showing. uh
So where have you downloaded? Can you do it on laptop?
yeah, it is on laptop only.
Okay. Just see, just figure it out somewhere how
Mm-hmm.
to show like this. I've not seen anybody's like as a different like that. Let me,
uh,
I'll just show you. It's a blue color icon. Okay. You can
yeah,
also search it from Google.
no, the rest all things are okay. When I open that Kindle Create, means create or open a file, one option is there on
Yeah.
the right corner,
Yeah.
but below that there are 2 3 options in your Kindle Create
No,
screen I
don't go
have.
into all that. Go, we
Okay,
don't have to
okay,
see all.
okay, okay.
We are we'll make it very simple. Just a second. My Kindle Create is opening. Okay, so here is Kindle Create. So it should look like this. Okay. Let me expand it.
Okay, yeah,
Yeah.
the same like I have also.
Yeah. Now you have to do create
Create.
new. You've
Okay.
done that?
No, I haven't proceed ahead. Okay, create new then.
Okay, create new. Okay, I'll tell you next step by step. Choose a file here. See the down. Choose a file dot doc, right?
Where
Choose,
it is? 1 second. Okay, choose a file.
yeah,
Yes.
choose a file. So wherever is your file saved, you will choose. I'll choose mine right now. Let's see what I have. Some random thing I will pick up. Yeah. So all this will come. Let me see. Wherever it is stored, you have to find it.
Okay.
One. I think this is the one. Now it's opening, right?
Mm-hmm.
I just think it is the one. And this takes time. Uh, it,
Oh,
the whole loading will take some time. Okay. Yeah. See, importing and converting your
yeah.
document. This is what it should.
Okay. Okay.
चलो किसी का भी बुक आ रहा है चलेगा.
जो आपने वो शेयर किया था, जो हमें कॉपी पेस्ट करनी सक्सेसफुल.
Yeah. So now it's coming. Import successful here. Now
हम्म.
we can close this. Okay. Now
हम्म.
comes is this also close it automatic chapter title.
हम्म.
Close it and come here. Just a second. Just
Yeah, in the previous video the same screen was there till the end of video. So
uh,
yeah, I was not able to recognize what exactly the steps are there.
yeah, get started पे click करना है. Okay.
Okay.
I click that. Your screen sharing is paused. अब मुझे समझ आया क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रही है. Oh, resume share. If I say resume, oh shit. Why is this happening like this? Erase. Acha, now I understand the problem. Here, this screen is not going only. It is paused.
Yeah.
क्यों ये Kindle allow नहीं करता है ऐसे करना? What happened? Can't you share the screen? Your screen sharing is paused.
So the same screen paused till the end.
Shit. And it's not happening. You are right, actually. It's crazy, yeah. How will I do this now? Can you see me now?
Yeah, I can see you. Your voice, your video is okay, but whatever you are screen sharing is stopped.
Let's see. इसको अगर मैं यहाँ पे ओ फिर मैं कैसे लोगों को सिखाऊंगी यार ये ऐसे हो जाएगा तो पहले क्यों नहीं हुआ ऐसा प्रॉब्लम नहीं हुआ था पहले तो just a second let's see if I can optimize for video clip करें
Now see, is it for वो क्रॉस हो रहा है क्या वो वाला ऑटोमेटिक चैप्टर टाइटल्स वाला पेज?
हाँ वो हो गया.
हाँ.
What can you see? You
Same.
can see Come to Iron Man.
No, that automatic chapter titles, chapter 1.
Oh,
I
I don't know. And I can't see it here. From my screen, it has gone.
Yeah, but still it is showing the same.
Let's do stop share. Let me stop share again. Let me share it again. Oh, now it's there.
Yeah. Now it's showing. Yeah.
Cool. Awesome. Okay, maybe some issues. We got back. So what you have to do is now your document is automatically come here.
Okay.
Automatically, okay? Now what you have to do is go into the front matter. Can you see front matter, my cursor?
Yeah.
Do plus sign. Now start with page. Book title. I'm just writing mine. Angel Mom to Iron Mom. Book subtitle. 3 ways to create transformation in you. Anything I'm just taking, okay? Shilpa Singh. Don't worry, I'll give you recording. You don't have to note. You can see. Okay. And then leave it, the publisher name, leave it. Don't have to write anything on this.
Okay.
Scroll down, create page. You're done. See how it's coming automatically, right? Can you see?
Yeah.
Yeah. Now next, we'll go to copyright. Copyright owner, nothing. Your name is to be written. Shilpa Singh. Shilpa Singh.
It's showing year of publication.
Oh, sorry. Year of publication is 2021. Okay. And create pages. Let it be whatever it is written. Okay. Let create pages. Create page. So it has come. Okay. Now next comes your so when we learned it from our mentor, he told us not to write to all these dedication, epigraph and all that. See there you have to then come to introduction. Okay. Leave table of contents because table of content Kindle will take automatically sabse last mein. So we'll have to write introduction now. So if you can copy paste introduction here, whatever your introduction is that you have written. Have you written introduction?
Yeah. Introduction part I have written.
So from your document, just copy paste it here.
Okay.
Suppose if I go here to my any document, I'll go. Suppose I have taken. अच्छा, I don't have that book का ना, अभी फिर वो खुलने में बहुत सारा time लग जाएगा. Nothing,
Okay,
just
no.
copy paste you have to do. Introduction will come here. Now in this you will not face that problem. वो shift करने से enter करने
हाँ.
जाता है ना.
Automatically it will get.
So what you do is whenever you're writing any paragraph like this, so whenever there is a full stop, press enter, start from a new line. Okay, it looks better. In fact, otherwise everything will be so haphazard. So for example, I'll just tell you what I mean by like this. This is looking like, do you think people will read this?
No.
So what you have to do is, in introduction only I'm saying, so it find the full stop, because when you'll copy paste, everything will be copy pasted like this. Suppose this word के बाद मैंने full stop देखा, I'm seeing full stop here, I'll press enter. So there is this gap. So give enough gaps, paragraph by paragraph, so that it looks easy to read. See, after 2 also I'm seeing this full stop, so I'll put this. So like this, you have to do this. Okay. Have you done your grammarly check?
Yeah.
You have read your book properly.
Yeah.
Sentences are correct.
Yes.
Huh? So now,
Yeah.
now you will do that. So now you are done with your this thing. Next is your introduction page is done. Okay. Now, if you want to write forward, write. If you don't want to write, don't write. It is not compulsory. Okay.
Okay.
This is done. Forward is done. Now you come to the body part. So this, we have already created title page here, right? You remember?
Yeah.
So what happened now, because we uploaded it, so everything is taking automatically. So we can delete it. Right click, go, do right click here and do delete section. We don't need it anymore, because this title page we've already created here. Again, another we don't know. We don't want.
Yeah.
Understood? Yeah, now you don't this table of content, it will come automatically. We don't have to do anything here. Also write thank you page. Have you written thank you note?
No. I'll write down.
Write it down. Okay.
Okay, sure.
Write down that I have to do this thing.
Mm-hmm.
Then will come your chapter 1. So what you can do is you'll copy paste your chapter 1. It's automatically come here. You don't have to copy paste anything. Chapter 1 is here. Right. So if you want to change the font and all, what you can do is select here, and here is chapter title. Can you see on the right?
Yeah.
Chapter title, you can do like this. Click here. Then if you want to align, do this properly, then do chapter subtitle like this. Okay. You just have to select and click. Understood?
Yeah.
Right. Chapter title, subtitle. A lot of people have after subtitle also, they have like 2.1 some heading they will give, right? So if you want to give that heading, that also you can give, and then you can click here on the standard elements subheading. Can you see subheading? Yeah, like this it will come. Okay. Now after 6, suppose I want to give enter. I'll just arrange this so it looks pretty.
Yeah.
Paragraph wise, all this I have to do. That's it.
Okay.
Chapter 1, chapter 2 is coming here, chapter 3 is coming here, chapter 4. This much you do, and then will come conclusion, and then write conclusion. So you have to write a thank you note and a conclusion also. Okay. This one, and then here you will come back matter. वो पीछे होता है ना, book के पीछे जो Amazon पे हम लोग देखते हैं description of the book.
This about is author. Yeah, about that book.
Yes. About the author you will write here. So author name Shilpa Singh, and description whatever you'll write here. Description जो भी आपने copy paste कर लेना. You want to upload an image, आपका photo आना चाहिए book के पीछे, you can select also here. जहाँ भी आपने save किया है. Okay. Then you'll do create page. about the author इसमें आ जाएगा ऐसे, right? And again, that right after then, though you don't have to do anything. Don't do anything. That's it. That these are the compulsory steps that you have to do. Once you are done with all this thing, Archana, it's so simple, isn't it?
Yeah.
Very easy. So after you are done, you have to save. Here, can you see save?
Yeah, save button is there. Yeah.
Preview here. You can
Yeah.
see preview how it is looking like this. Click here and it will show you your preview. Now it's taking time. I should have not clicked. Yeah, like this it will show.
Yeah.
Sorry, I am at the back like this. So you can have a look if you want to change anywhere. Do you want कि कैसा लग रहा है? Any last minute changes you want to do in preview, you can do, right?
Okay.
So once this is preview is done, you can close this preview screen and publish. You will hit publish. Your project has not been saved. Before creating your publish file, we need to save your working file. This publishable file will be a KPF, which is the packaged final version of your book. Okay, fine. Save it. It's saving on its own. So let me save it on my desktop. Book 1 KC is the name. Case. Let me do one thing. Save. Your KBC file, KCB has been saved. Now you can save your publishable file. Fine. Now again, he's saying again, I'll make something. It's again telling me to save. I'll save again. book_1.kpf1 is the name.
Yeah.
Packaging project for publish. Now it's packaging. Your file is ready to publish. Okay.
Okay, so after automatically it will upload on Kindle.
Yeah, we will do after you are done. Then we will do what to do.
Okay, so after the one more step is remaining.
Yes, there's one more step, right? Let me see, where is it, my book? Desktop. Let me go to desktop. Book 1 KC1. Yeah, this is the one. This can you see the blue logo here? Book 1 KC1. This is how I saved. Can you see?
No, now it's showing the page of about the author. That.
Acha, okay. Just a second. But here I am able to see.
I think again you have to stop screen sharing.
Here. Now, can you see this?
Yeah.
This is how it has saved in this format. I'll open this. I saved in Kindle Create. A newer version is available. I already have. Oh, this is already open. Okay. Fine, understood. I don't have to do it again. I was doing the same process. Yeah. So once you are done, then we will go on Amazon and upload your book with your cover page and 3D image and everything. Okay. So right now, do this much and we'll come to the next step. Then it will be too much of overwhelm. You will be overwhelmed with information.
Actually, this recording you will put in author book wala WhatsApp group. Actually, I left that group by mistakenly. Actually, my phone has been changed. That's why all the groups I have left automatically. So can you please add me in that group so I'll see the recording.
I'll send you the link. You again come join.
Sure.
Okay.
Okay, Shilpa, thank you so much.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.